Yes, hello everybody. This is Pod Squared of www.podsquared.com, and I'm here today for you so that I can show you how to, no, not jailbreak the iPhone, but how to arrange the Rubik's Cube in an order that it will be recognized as a Rubik's Cube with 6 colors. As you can see, I will manipulate it more so that it will be in a staggering manner. Yes, you will not recognize it as a Rubik's Cube, but you will recognize it as different colors like in the Peria. Yes. So let's begin because the video will become long if I don't start now. So I will first make buo-buo to the white spot here. So how will I do that? Well, it is very difficult because I cannot see because the camera is blocking my sight. Yes, it is very troublesome for me because I cannot see. But as you can see, and I can see also that I can manipulate this, and like this. As you can see, this Rubik's Cube is version 1.4.4, which is, I do not know why it is versioned like that, because I only bought it from the store for more than, I think, 400 pesos or 500 pesos. Yes, it is very cheap. You know Chep? Yes, Chep is my friend. Chep is very kind. Yes, very kind to animals like me. Yes. As you can see now, the bottom side is already finished. So, we will next make buo-buo to the sides. So, how will I do that? Well, if I manipulate the Rubik's Cube in a way that it will be manipulated, well, you can have a super duper connection. Yes, we will make a buo-buo to whatever it is that we will make buo-buo. But it is very difficult. You know why? I don't know why. So, stop asking me. Okay? You shut up now. Okay, only one color left. There it is. Yes. Few more manipulations like that. And as you can see, the second row is completed. So the next is here on the top. By doing some manipulations again, I can make a cross. And with this cross, we can pray that we can make buo-buo to the Rubik's Cube. Yes, with some prayers and some manipulations like that, you can make buo-buo now. As you can see, there is no more way that I can move around the Rubik's Cube so that I can finish. So what I will do is I will magically snap my fingers and do some other manipulations. Like what? Pot? I don't know, because you are the one who know the knowing, you know. I don't know what you're talking about. This is becoming very difficult for me because I'm sweating. It's hot. Yes, and I turned off the electric fan so that you can hear me. Because if you don't hear me, you will not hear me. Yes, like that and like this. As you can see, I cannot see. And a little more manipulations like that. And magically, it still not make buo-buo. But one more spin like that. And like this, and like this, and like this. And magically, it is now completed. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I know you did not learn anything, but you were entertained, right? Right. So again, this is the iPhone, and this is the Rubik's Cube. Goodbye.